Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. Today's date is June 21st, 2023. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the Euro versus US dollar. The one thing of note for the Euro versus US dollar today is that the range is only 28 pips so far in trading here today. That's much less than the average over the last month of trading, which is about 65 pips. So there's room to roam in this currency pair. So be aware, be prepared. Of course, we have Fed Powell's testimony, which will begin at 10 a.m. He pre-released his prepared text saying things like the process getting inflation back down to 2% has a long way to go. All FOMC participants were in favor of appropriate rate rises somewhat further by year end, seeing some effects of monetary tightening. Labor market remains tight. Long-term inflation expectations remain anchored. Tighter credit conditions are likely to weigh on economic activity, hiring, and inflation, but the extent is uncertain. Comments are similar to what we can expect or would have expected after the FOMC rate decision last week. So no big shakes there. And the market in the Euro versus US dollar is fairly steady so far. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, what is some of the key levels that we can focus on in trading here today? And really, we're very much confined to two swing areas. The lower swing area is against these lows through here, which formed a nice floor, which then became a ceiling through here. And as you can see in trading last week, the market moved above that, what was the old ceiling, and really moved into this box right here, where the market was confined for a number of different weeks. And in trading yesterday, on Monday and yesterday, the price did move down into that yellow area here, this swing area right here, and in fact moved just below it at one point, falling below the 108.95 level on the downside, but quickly rebounded back to the upside. And you can see him trading here today. Again, this is a 4-hour chart. The low price has stalled within this 108.95 to 109.08 level area down through here. And if the price can stay above that level, then the buyers still are a little bit more in control from a technical perspective. Having said that, this area right through here, this yellow area, which was a home from things like these swing lows through here, here, and then became a ceiling through here. We moved above it in trading last week, but in trading this week, we've found sellers here. We did, like on the downside right here, in trading yesterday, we moved just above the top side of that swing area, but quickly failed and moved back below that level. And in trading here today, we moved into that right to the top of that lower end of that range between 109.33 and 109.42. So what does that say? That says, well, get above this yellow area is more bullish, move below this yellow area and it's more bearish, and that is what you as a trader could potentially hope for as technical clues in the Euro versus US dollar. Much will depend on what Powell has to continue to say during his testimonies. That testimony will last probably around 2 hours, so there's a lot of opportunity there. We also have things like the stock market and yields to rely on in trading here today. No other economic data is scheduled for release. By the way, yields are a little bit higher in trading here today, and stocks are a little bit lower. Flip a coin. We'll see how it all plays out. But right now, we know that the market is very confined, trading in between swing levels and looking for a break, either to the upside or downside. There's room to roam in the Euro versus US dollar. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.